I'm so excited to see you. This week has been crazy. I know I shouldn't talk and fly, but I couldn't wait to tell you the plan. I took the whole day off work so we can party.
You're kidding, right? I don't do parties. You know that.
Obviously, you're like the world's greatest party pooper. I booked us a yoga class, Petties at the claw salon, and then we chill in your fave skyscraper. Tell me you love me.
What if I have terrible balance? Or my feet, they're ticklish, and they smell.
You'll literally never know unless you try.
Stell,
Do you know how hard it was finding fun things to do for frightened flyers? Just be grateful I'm not making you do sky Pilates. Oh, I see you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Now we're just waiting on 2 more to join us today. Hello! Are you here for the Namaste Nest?
Yeah, but I actually came to cancel. For me and my friend.
Oh, that's a shame. How come?
Well, she died.
Oh, darn. I thought we were finally going to have a full nest today. Won't you still join us?
No, I don't think so.
We've all been there. Right, ladies? Richard lost his leg today. And he's still here.
As if being pigeon-toed wasn't hard enough. I'm here.
He's taking it easy today. It's all about showing up.
No, thank you.
All right, everyone. We'll begin in pigeon pose. Ladies. Richard!
Excuse me.
Interested in our hair removal treatment?
Sorry?
When hair gets tangled around your feet, we remove it before you lose your toes.
Oh. I just came to cancel an appointment.
Oh. Name?
Her name was Stell.
Huh?
Sorry, it should be under Stell.
Okay. Stell and May, 2:30.
OMG, May?
Huh.
I thought that was you. It's Midge from school, remember?
Oh, yeah. Midge. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
It's been ages. We have to grab coffee sometime.
There's a $10 same-day cancellation fee.
But she died. Today.
No! Stell? But she just posted this morning. Total it girl, right? Talented, gorgeous, successful. Hashtag goals. Ugh! Love that bitch.
Okay. 50% mortality discount.
Damn me for that coffee, girly.
You shouldn't drag your feet so much if you want to keep your toes.
Hi, excuse me. Would you mind taking a photo for us?
Oh, sure.
Oh, say seed. Thank you very much.
We're just passing through on our migration. These lights are irresistible.
Aren't they? We try to grab a snapshot at every stop.
Well, look at you, honey. You look so cute.
You're so sweet. I look exhausted is how I look.
Well, we had just flown for 6 hours straight. And boy, were my arms tired. Oh, the travel life. It isn't easy, but it sure is rewarding.
Well, we better be off. A few more hours and we can actually stop in a tree. Thanks again.
Take care now. Wasn't she nice?
She was adorable.